Now, we will study today about Ayurveda, science of life. So, what is Ayurveda? Ayurveda literally means the science of life. Means Ayur means life and Ved means science. In ancient medical science, which was developed in India thousands of years ago, Ayurveda developed and evolved into what it is today from several ancient treatises, most notably Atharvaveda, which dates back to 5000 years. You must be aware of your Ved. In Hindu, there are 4 Veds. Okay, you must have studied in history also about the Ved. So, what is having Atharvaveda is one. So, here in ancient Vedic literature by sagas has clearly laid out instruction to maintain health as well as fighting illness through therapies, massage, herbal medicine, diet control and exercises. Nowadays, if you are getting sick, you are directly going to the shop to take the medicine or you are consulting doctor for the medicine. But in olden days, what they were doing? They were taking the medicines, but they were taking the medicines which they are getting from the natural things, natural herbs. And second thing, they were doing exercises, they were doing therapies, they were doing massage, they were taking herbal medicines. Herbal medicines means which you get it naturally. Like if you see, if now if you are having cold and fever, so you go to doctor to have a cold and fever medicines. But olden days they were using like Cetoplast to remove cold. They were saying just walk, so you may make your body fit by doing walking. So in classical Sanskrit literature, Ayurveda was called the science of 8 components, that is Ashtanga. How many science of what is the science of 8 components said? It is said to be as Ashtanga. So there are 3 balance elements, substances for your Ayurveda, that are doshas, equal health, while imbalance, equal diseases. These are 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. 3 dosha in Ayurveda are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So Vata is for headache, dry skin, constipation, nervous anxiety, hypersensitivity, insomnia, premature aging. This is about the Vata. These are the some body parts which can be used cure by Vata. 3 dosh they are talking about in Ayurvedic, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So these are about the Vata. Then comes Pitta, Pith. In Hindi we say Pith. Ulcer, fever, acne, acidity, agitation, anger, burns easily. For these things we use Pitta. And Kapha, last one, that is for respiratory ailments, weight gain, fluid retention, allergies, mucus and congestion. We use Kapha. Now, why they were using these medicines? To heal the problems which is being faced by you all. For healing purpose. You may be seen in this pandemic situation also, you are using Kahara in the starting. Okay. That is also your Ayurvedic only. Made with mixture of the herbals. In the starting, when you are too much worried about it, so you are using some in the starting when you are suffering for this corona and all, when it comes, so you are taking Kahara, that it should not affect you, to make your immune system strong. It is said you should do yoga. You should take some herbal medicines, and if you see, so today also that is being cured by most of the herbal medicines only. Then in Ayurvedic theories there are 20 qualities or characteristics which are inherent in all substances. They can be arranged in 10 pairs of antonyms, that heavy, light, cold, hot, unconscious, dull, sharp, stable, mobile, soft, hard, then non-slimy, slimy, smooth, coarse, minute, gross and viscous liquid. These are the some Ayurvedic 20 qualities or characteristics which are inherent, means these can be cured by Ayurvedic. Then Ayurvedic doctor regards physical and mental existence as well as personality as a unit. For what they are? For physical and mental existence as well as personality as a unit. Each element having the capacity to influence the others. One of the fundamental aspects of Ayurvedic medicine is to take this holistic approach into account during diagnosis and therapy. What we use for this, we diagnose and we use the therapies, means exercises are there. Therapy is one type of exercise. That's why it is said that in the morning you wake up, do exercise so that your body will be fit and fine. Ayurvedic medicines use a variety of products and practices. Ayurvedic products can be made either of herbs only or a combination of herbs or metal, minerals or other materials in an Ayurvedic practices called Ras Shastra. These are the some components which are being used in Ayurvedic medicines for curing. According to some experts, the cleansing practice known as Panchkarma is a therapeutic way of enlightening toxic elements from the body. Panchkarmas include Vamna, Virachna, Basti, Nasya and Rakt Mokshna. Panchkarma is preached by Purva Karma, means preparatory step, and followed by Paschat Karma and Pyadi Karma. Panchkarma, it is a type of cleansing practices, therapies which are being used. Nowadays also these Ayurvedic medicines are used. It is said if you use Ayurvedic medicines, so that disease from which you are suffering will be end. Means second time you are not going to face that problem. That's why Ayurvedic medicines are still very much common as it was earlier. And who is the god of Ayurveda? That is Dhanvantari. Okay, who is the god of Ayurveda? That is Dhanvantari. Okay, students.
Dhanvantari.
Okay. Now this is about
yes,
Ayurveda, the science of life.